Hi, we're AquaLean. We specialize in garden watering products for decades, and today I would like to introduce you that one of our patented products, the Water Me Pot. It has an interactive ice that when you fill the water in, the ice goes up. So it tells the users that it has enough water. When the ice goes down, it tells the users that it needs water. So it's a flower pot that can actually interact with an interesting way. We have 3 different sizes, the large one, the medium one, and also the small one. The large one is to put on the ground, both indoor and outdoor. And the medium one and small one to put on the desk. So if you are interested in quality and innovative products, please contact us, AquaLean. Thank you.